Rain, a simple drop of water that holds the power to refresh, to calm, and to inspire. From the first pitter patter on rooftops to the gentle drizzle on the green leaves, rain has a magic that touches our soul. The sound of the rain can be meditative, helping us relax and focus. It washes away the dust and noise of the world, giving our mind a pause. Many people feel nostalgia or a deep sense of peace when it rains. Rain nourishes the earth, fills rivers, and makes flowers bloom. Every drop carries life, supporting ecosystem, replenishing groundwater, and sustaining all living beings. Think of the smell of wet soil, pet ritual, or reminder that rain rejuvenates everything it touches. Rain teaches patience and hope, just as storms pass and leave behind freshness. Challenges in life eventually fade, making a room for all. Many poets and writers have used rain to symbolize cleansing, renewal, and emotional release. The rhythm of rain can soothe the mind, easing stress and tension. Many of us find comfort in listening to rain while reading a book, sipping tea, or simply sitting by a window. A, gent- a gentle sound creates a meditative environment inviting introspection and mindfulness. Rain can awaken nostalgia, reminding us of childhood memories, past laughs, or quiet moments we often forget. Imagine walking barefoot on wet grass, feeling its drop touch your skin. Imagine closing your eyes and listening to rain tapping on the roof, feeling every worry dissolve. Rain invites us to pause, to breathe deeply, and to connect with the present moment. It reminds us that even the simplest things, a drop of water, a clouded sky, hold beauty and meaning. So, next time it rains, doesn't rush indoors. Step outside, feel the rhythm, embrace the calm, and let its drop remind you of life's gentle beauty. Rain is more than water falling from the sky. It is nature's lullaby, a quiet teacher and a timeless companion for our thoughts and dreams. Let the rain wash away your worries, your fatigue, and the noise of everyday life. Let it remind you that even after the heaviest storm, there is calm and freshness. Close your eyes.